Hello everyone, I'm Tim. Thanks for checking out this episode of Discovering the High Life. I'm here with Jorge at Agave Cocina Cantina, and we're going to discuss some suggestions for Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, so this is Agave. We're located in Redmond. We've been around for 10 years already. We have two locations, one in Kent Station and this one. You know, Cinco de Mayo is coming up, so better get ready with some margaritas. Today we're going to show you how to make a good margarita, just the classic margarita. We here at the Redmond location, we specialize in tequila. We have more than 120 tequilas to choose from. You know, tequila has been around since 1600. It was originated in Mexico. The natives used to call it pulque, but then the Spanish came over, introduced the distillation process, which gave birth to tequila. Today we're gonna talk about Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo, it's not as many people might think. It's not Independence Day. It is actually a commemoration of the Battle of Puebla, which happened in the 1800s, about 150 years ago, and it was against the French Empire. Yeah, so we celebrate it now. Mexicans and Mexican Americans and Americans, we all celebrate here in America as a big festivity. So.
Yeah, and what's the most popular drink? The margarita?
The margarita, of course. We have,
right.
and with tequila. Today we have a tequila reposado to make our margarita. All right, so our classic margarita. First, we are gonna need a glass full of ice, and we're gonna have our tequila. The main ingredient, we're gonna have a reposado today. We need 1.5 ounces of that. We're gonna use Orange Liqueur, 1 ounce. Then you can use simple syrup or agave nectar. We're gonna have some agave nectar this time. 1/2 ounce. Just remember, if you use simple syrup, use a little bit more, probably 1 ounce, because agave nectar is sweeter. Of course, we need lime juice, 1 ounce. And then at this time is when you might want to use some flavor. If you want to add some, if you want to change things a little bit, you can use strawberries, fresh mango, or some fresh tropical fruit. Makes it a great margarita. Now we're just gonna give it a little shake. Let's add a little bit more ice. Margarita. Don't forget the salt on the rim. We can use 1 lime juice for the rim, and we're gonna grab our salt, kosher salt, and we're gonna pour our margarita and garnish it with a lime wedge. There you have it. Fresh margaritas. We always use fresh ingredients here at Agave in Redmond. And enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers. And why don't you tell us a little bit about some of your signature items that we could pair this with?
Oh yeah, don't forget, we have happy hour every day from 3 to 6:30, and some of those items are bacon wrapped stuffed jalapeños with goat cheese and cream cheese mix inside. It's really good. Highly recommend that. If you want something fresh, also we have the steak salad, certified Angus beef, grilled over a bed of lettuce with our house dressing, with some red bell peppers, radishes, and onions. That's gonna be our 2 recommendations to pair with a nice margarita.
Okay, hey, thanks a lot for taking the time to show us how to make a margarita and talk to us a little bit about what you guys are doing for Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, absolutely. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy it at home. And yeah, happy Cinco.
Cheers.